Hazel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a makeup haul for you guys, and these makeup right here, I just received it. I haven't even opened it yet. These are fresh from the USA, so United States of America. I got a few makeup products that is available in the US. Yes, we do have US makeup brands in here, but it's either it's extremely expensive or the stocks are limited. I did use USGoBuy service to get these items in here from the US. USGoBuy is a package forwarding agency in the USA. So basically, they are this agency where you ship your items from USA and then they will help you ship it to your country. So that's what I did here. I will share with you guys my experience with USGoBuy and also how I use it or how you can use it, from signing in to everything you want to know about USGoBuy after I show you guys the makeup that I got. So I'm gonna do the unboxing first. First of all, the packaging, like, I can't open it, so they package it really nicely. Like, it is very secure. After 28 years, I finally opened it. It was not easy to open it. Like, ang daming packing tape. Anyway, the inside looks like that. The good thing with USGoBuy is you have an option if you want them to repackage your package for you. For example, I got 2 packages for my order. So when it arrived at the USGoBuy warehouse, they repackage it. So I received the package in one, so I can save with the shipping as well. Looks like I have a lot of marshmallows to play in here. This is not marshmallow, but you guys know what I mean. I see this paper first of all. I think this is the invoice from the shop that I got this from in the US. So yeah, nandito lahat ng information ng order ko. Foundation! Yes! You guys, I got the Milani Conceal Perfect foundation, if it focuses at all. Looks like that. I've heard a lot of good things about this foundation and I wanted to review this pag uwi ko na ng Pilipinas. But this is in the shade 06 Sand Beige. We'll see if this is my shade. Ooh, yellow undertone siya. Yep, I think that's my shade. That is my shade right there. Perfect! This is $10 sa US. I also got the Wet n Wild MegaGlo Contouring Palette. This is in the shade Dulce de Leche. Dulce de Leche. I think that's how you pronounce it. I got this because Kathleen Lights, I love Kathleen Lights, she loves this contouring powder. I personally haven't seen Wet n Wild dito, so I'm not sure if merong Wet n Wild sa Australia. But I cannot wait to use this. This is a very nice yellow undertone na powder na perfect for under eyes. And then the contour shade, obviously for contouring. But yeah, I can't wait. I didn't expect this to be this big. Like, that's the palm of my hand. And like, it's huge. That one is only $4.99. This, you guys, this is such a bummer because nasira siya. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder. It's no longer pressed powder. It's already loose. Actually, USGoBuy messaged me when they received it sa warehouse nila. One of your products came in broken or something. And they sent me a picture, which is good. Not good because it's broken, but good that they let me know. Yeah, that's a bummer. I'm pretty sure I can fix that by just putting alcohol, but I just wish I got this in perfect condition, but whatever, I will do my best to fix that. That's in transparent, by the way, so yeah, I can't wait to use that. I've heard a lot of good things about that powders. Okay, next one is the Super Skinny Eye Marker from NYX. It looks like this. Let me open it and swatch it. This is in the shade black, I believe. Yeah, carbon black. I'm not sure kung sinong YouTuber ang gustong-gusto itong liner na to. I can't remember, but it looks like that. Very pigmented and very precise nung line niya. I think it yeah, and it has matte finish as well. I like that. I can't wait to use that. They said it's very easy to use. That's why I decided to get it. So we'll see kung maiiba niya yung aking eyeliner game. Next one is from Wet n Wild as well. This is their Color Icon Brow Pencil in the shade Blonde Moments. The pencil looks like that. It looks light, but actually, I'm not sure. Maybe way too light. But, I can make that work. We'll see. Yeah, not bad. And then meron siyang spoolie sa other end. The swatch actually went on nicely, so I can't wait to use it on my brows. It's actually pigmented. I like that. Okay, next one is from Wet n Wild as well. Ito yung Wet n Wild lipstick na I'm sure you guys are familiar with because this is a really affordable lipstick and a lot of people actually like this. I owned 2 of these before, but I don't have them anymore. I think naiwan ko siya sa Cayman. I got it in the shade Mocha-licious. Ooh, nice. It is that really nice brownish mauve-ish shade. This is really inexpensive. This is only $2.29. And then next one is a Milani lipstick. This one is in the shade Tuscan Toast. I have this in the shade Obsession. No, maybe not Obsession. Love. I have this in the shade Love and I love it. That's actually what I'm wearing right now over lip liner, yung Nano Lip Liner from Sephora. I really like it, so I decided to get another shade and ito din, brownish shade din siya. So ganyan yung shade niya. It appears red on camera, but it's more like brownish red in real life. But looks like that. Very pigmented. Gustong-gusto ko yung formula nitong lipstick na to. So that's great. The Milani lipstick is only $4.99. And then last one. This one, I've heard a lot of good things about this one. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer. I got mine in the shade Classic Ivory. That's different. I didn't know na ganyan pa rin yung itsura niya. It has a brush tip. And I'm hoping... Ooh, okay. I hope this is my shade. Ooh, yung undertone niya parang may pagka-salmon or may pagka-peachy yung undertone niya. I hope it's not too light. Looks like it is way too light, pero I hope that works out. Sana totoo yung sinasabi nila na ito yung the best concealer. This is only $2.99, you guys. So $3 US. That's really inexpensive. So yeah, that's all the makeup that I got. Now onto the USGoBuy service. It is free to sign up. I will show you guys right now how to sign up sa website. Okay, so first thing you do is of course go to the USGoBuy website. I have a link below so you can go ahead and click that and it will lead you to the website. Before we start with the registration, let's go ahead and see what really USGoBuy is about. So again, USGoBuy is a ship-for-me service specialized in forwarding parcels from USA to worldwide. So they provide you with a US mail address so you can ship your items to the US address and then USGoBuy will help you ship it to your country. Their partners are the well-known DHL Express, USPS, and FedEx. In my case, my package was sent via DHL. For payments, you can use PayPal and web money. After that, I will go ahead and show you guys how to register for free. So you will go back to the USGoBuy homepage. You will click the register for free, of course, and then you will enter your email address, the username of your choice, and then password, and then retype password. Enter your country, in my case here, Australia, and then enter the code. And then all you have to do is to take the agree to terms and conditions. And then voila, you have your US mail address. So now you already have a US mail address where you can ship your packages to. And then this is what your account will look like. This is empty. I actually just made a new account just to show you guys how simple it is to register. So you will see in here the partners, the DHL, USPS, FedEx, and then right down here you will see your US address. So that's the address. And another good thing about USGoBuy is they provide you with a phone number. I have used a similar service before. They did not provide me a phone number, and some shops in the USA will ask for a phone number, so I had to like research for a USA phone number because again, they didn't provide me one, but USGoBuy will provide you a number. This account that you're seeing right now is actually my account, the one that I used. So here you will see that I have available balance of $10.43 US. You will know why in a bit. I will explain it to you in a bit. But yeah, right on the side you will see my packages. So obviously I don't have packages anymore because I already received mine. But this is the tab where you will see all the packages that you have. And then shipments. Now here you can see my shipment. This is the information of the shipment that I received today. Yeah, as you guys can see, the status is already shipped because obviously I already received my shipment. So everything is documented, which is good because you can track everything inside your account. And then transaction records. This will explain why I have the $10 in my account. So originally I paid 50 something dollars because that's what they asked me to pay. But then they found a better deal to ship the package into my country, so they went for the better deal and they gave me back my $10. That's why I have $10 in my account. So USGoBuy will do that for you. They will find the cheapest deal to ship the package into your country, and then they will just give you back your money. And you can actually deposit the money. I will show you guys that in a bit. So you just go to the deposit money tab and then choose PayPal again because I use PayPal, and then I add the money that I want to deposit to my PayPal and then just process it. I'm not gonna show you guys the whole processing thing because like it's my PayPal, you know. So aside from helping you ship the packages to your country, USGoBuy also offers the buy for me service. So they will have personal shopper that will help you buy whatever you want. I personally haven't tried this service yet because I enjoy shopping myself. I don't really need someone else to do it for me. But if you're into that, all you have to do is to submit your purchasing order, and then they will buy the items for you, and then you submit your shipping order, and then they will ship it to you. Sounds really easy. You do not have to do anything. You just have to submit what you want, and then they will do the rest for you. This clip right here explains how the ship for me service works. So this is what I did. What I did was sign up for free, order online, and then use the US address that they provided, and then submit the shipping order. This is really easy because they will show you how to do it when your package is already there. And then they will repack and ship the package to your country, to your doorstep, which is great. I also want to show you guys this information right here under the service fee. So this window right here shows you like the services that they offer. So I suggest you guys give this a good read if you're planning to register and actually use this service. And also I wanted to mention that they have the refer to a friend like option, and if you refer a friend, you will get $10 cash back, which is really great. So again, if you want to try it and you want others to try it as well, like give them an invite, and if they sign up using your invite, I guess you will get the $10 cash back in your account, which is great. My experience with USGoBuy was really smooth. I ordered the makeup, they sent it to my USGoBuy address. I received the items in 2 packages, and you saw earlier that I only received 1 box because they repackage it for me. You can have them repackage it for you or leave it the way it is. You have that option in the website. In my case, I had them repack my package into 1 so I can save sa shipping. It was so freaking quick, you guys. I received the package. Let me just check. From the online shop in the US, it was sent September 22nd, and then USGoBuy got my package September 27, and then you guys, I received my package from USGoBuy today. It is October 4, so that is only 1 week. And please note that weekends are not included because they don't ship on weekends, and yesterday, Monday, was a holiday as well, so I think that's why it came up to a week. Yeah, so my overall experience was really easy. I did not have to worry at all like what's happening with my package because USGoBuy actually updates you through emails. So they will email you that we already shipped your item. You will receive it after 2 to 3 business days, or depende sa shipping na pinili nyo. I will leave the link of USGoBuy below if you guys are interested. Let me know if you have any questions below. I will do my best to answer it for you guys. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Do not forget to be good. Bye!